Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, August 24th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Wild day today, just insane. Um, Technically, we made some money, but all, all things considered, it was a little bit disappointing. The Dow had a fabulous day, so I'll talk about that first. It gapped up this morning, took off, made some more gains here, pulled back just a little in the middle part of the day, and then powerful close at the end in the last hour, closing right on its high there, with the Dow officially up 378 points for the day. And if I look at the long chart here, I've shown this many times. This is the all-time highs back in February. This is the March lows, and we've just come back and come back and come back. And where things stand right now, we're about 1,200 points from taking out those all-time highs. And the way things are going, if things got really crazy, we could even do that by the end of the week. I don't think that's going to happen, but it could happen. 1,200 points, the Dow can cover that pretty quickly if it makes up its mind. So this was a great day for the Dow. Not such a great day for us. We came in with 9 positions, and we, on the close on Friday, we were like $4,500 negative or something like that. We closed out 8 of those positions for over $18,000 in loss. And that's in spite of the big gap up and the move higher. That didn't help us at all. Things just got worse and worse for us, and we ended up closing out over $18,000 in losses. So that was bad. But not everything was bad. We carried one stock over, and that turned out to be our monster trade of the day. And then everything else was pretty good too. We got into only 5 new positions, plus the one holdover. We were positive 3 and negative 3, but we're carrying positive over $25,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. So, we closed out negative 18. We're carrying over 25 going into tomorrow. If that doesn't reverse on us, we'll still come out pretty good. But I don't know. It's a rough day. It's just that stocks have been so crazy and unpredictable that it's been difficult trading. Let me show you 3 of the stocks. This first one is BLNK, which is BLNK Charging Company. And this thing, it opened unchanged. It then went negative. Then it started going really positive here. And we didn't get into this until about 2.5 hours to go in the day. We grabbed it there. Didn't look particularly good place to get in. It pulled back, but then it came back and finished strong there. And even though that may not look like a huge move for us there, we are holding positive $3,400 open trade equity in BLNK Charging Company. Then moving on, this stock was really insane today. This is IBIO Incorporated, IBIO. And we got a gap this morning. We bought the gap. It kept going. When this thing was up here, folks, when this thing was up here, this was up over $20,000. That's right, over 20,000. We had 30,000 shares. This is up over $20,000 here, and then it pulls back. Yeah, real bummer here. Pretty good pullback also, and we are holding positive $6,300 in IBIO Incorporated. I sure would like to see this pop up again tomorrow, and we could get out at these levels up here rather than where we're at. But you never know, these markets are crazy. It could open lower and we could end up going negative on it. I don't want to be a pessimist, but things are crazy. IBO Incorporated. But finally, this was the granddaddy of all trades for us today. This is SHLL, which is Tortoise Acquisition Corporation. That is an electric truck acquisition company. I had to look that up. And on Friday it had gapped up. We got into it. It did close profitably, but not too much. But it gapped up this morning and it just really moved very, very strong all day, closing near its high up there. And we are holding positive $17,500 in Tortoise Acquisition Company. Great trade. So all in all, I won't complain too much, but today did have some disappointments. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.